So am I allowed to practice out loud?
Yeah, you just have to only submit
I'll
one.
submit a case.
Doesn't matter how long the noise is.
That could be judging, that could make it a better noise.
If I made it like a 30-second long noise.
Perhaps that makes it better. It's up to you, your definition of a good noise.
Tell me when I've got 10 seconds left.
Okay.
See, it looks like now I'm coming up with a really great idea, and the truth is, I'm not.
See, that one had a slight tonal difference.
30 seconds left. 20 seconds.
That one was breathing inwards, that was quite nice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Cheers, thank you.
30 seconds left. You get one attempt at your sound.
Okay, yeah. There's a vote on the British public's favourite song,
20
and their
seconds.
favourite song was Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Okay, I know what I'm going to submit.
Okay, go for it.
And the best bit of Bohemian Rhapsody, in my opinion,
10 seconds.
is when it hits the rock bit. Dang, 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 dang.
Cool, thank you very much.